2018 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, tow hitch, stability control, keyless entry, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, dual airbags, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, alloy wheels, four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control, center armrest, compass. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.